Some flowers are so rare and special that they bloom only once in their lifetime, captivating the world with their fleeting beauty. These extraordinary blooms, often shrouded in mystery and reverence, symbolize the fragility of life, the cycle of nature, and the profound transformation that can occur in the plant world. For botanists, flower enthusiasts, and nature lovers, these once-in-a-lifetime events are eagerly anticipated and cherished. This Bloom and Song Guide explores some of the most famous and intriguing flowers that bloom only once, highlighting their stories, symbolism, and unique characteristics. Here are the 10 flowers that only bloom once in a lifetime, nature's rare and elusive blooms. But before that, welcome to my channel. Ten flowers that only bloom once in a lifetime. Nature's rare and elusive blooms. 1. The ghost flower, Monotripastrum humile. Bloom frequency: once every few years. Origin: North America, Asia. Why it's special? The ghost flower, also known as the Indian pipe, is a unique, non-photosynthetic flower that lacks chlorophyll and appears ghostly white. This rare flower grows in shaded forest areas and depends on fungi for nutrients. It is so rare that it's often considered a living fossil of sorts. Its bloom is highly irregular, appearing once every few years, making it a special event for those lucky enough to witness it. The ghost flower is a symbol of the mysterious and hidden aspects of nature, often linked with the supernatural in folklore. 2. The ylang tree, Cananga odorata. Bloom frequency: once every few years. Origin: Southeast Asia. Why it's special? The ylang tree is famous for its intensely fragrant yellow flowers, which are used in perfume production. The flowers bloom infrequently, often only once every few years, and the process of harvesting them is labor-intensive. Ylang-yang's unique and exotic scent, which is used in high-end perfumes, adds to the allure of its rare blooms. The tree's flowers are a symbol of sensuality, romance, and the intoxicating power of nature, often associated with exotic tropical climates. 3. The ghost orchid, Dendrophylax lindeni. Bloom frequency: once a year, often difficult to predict. Origin: native to Florida and parts of the Caribbean. Why it's special? The ghost orchid is one of the most rare and elusive orchids in the world, and its blooms are famously difficult to catch. The flower is translucent white with long, slender petals that resemble a ghostly figure floating in midair. The ghost orchid blooms once a year, and its timing is notoriously unpredictable, which adds to its mystique. Found in the swamps of Florida and the rainforests of Central America, this orchid is so rare that it has become a symbol of the unattainable and the ethereal. It is often sought after by orchid enthusiasts and has become a symbol of patience, beauty, and the fragility of nature. 4. The night-blooming cereus, Selenicerius grandiflorus. Bloom frequency: once a year, overnight. Origin: Central and South America. Why it's special? The night-blooming cereus is a cactus species famous for its rare and stunning bloom that only occurs overnight. The flowers are large, white, and have a sweet fragrance, attracting nocturnal pollinators such as moths. The bloom begins in the evening and fades by morning, making it a very short-lived event. This flower, often associated with mystery and spiritual transformation, is a favorite among gardeners and flower enthusiasts who anticipate its annual blooming. The night-blooming cereus is also sometimes referred to as the Queen of the Night. 5. The talipot palm, Corypha umbraculifera. Bloom frequency: once in a lifetime. Origin: India, Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia. Why it's special? The talipot palm is an extraordinary tree that blooms only once in its lifetime. It can take anywhere from 30 to 80 years to reach maturity before it produces its enormous, showy flower cluster, which can be as large as 15 feet in height. The flower is a spectacular display of thousands of small flowers, and after blooming, the tree dies, having completed its life cycle. The talipot palm's unique life cycle, in which it produces a one-time bloom before dying, is a symbol of nature's powerful yet transitory rhythms. 6. The chocolate cosmos, Cosmos atrosanguineus. Bloom frequency: once every few years. Origin: Mexico. Why it's special? The chocolate cosmos is a unique flower with a dark maroon to deep burgundy color, resembling the richness of dark chocolate. Unlike many other plants, This flower has a distinctive scent that smells like cocoa or chocolate, adding to its allure. The plant is relatively rare and difficult to grow, blooming only once every few years under the right conditions. Due to its scarcity in the wild, the chocolate cosmos is often grown in botanical gardens and by enthusiasts who are eager to witness its extraordinary bloom. Its striking color and alluring scent have made it a favorite for gardeners and flower lovers alike. 6. The chocolate cosmos. Cosmos atrosanguineus. Bloom frequency: once every few years. Origin: Mexico. Why it's special. The chocolate cosmos is a unique flower with a dark maroon to deep burgundy color, resembling the richness of dark chocolate. Unlike many other plants, this flower has a distinctive scent that smells like cocoa or chocolate, adding to its allure. The plant is relatively rare and difficult to grow, blooming only once every few years under the right conditions. Due to its scarcity in the wild, the chocolate cosmos is often grown in botanical gardens and by enthusiasts who are eager to witness its extraordinary bloom. Its striking color and alluring scent have made it a favorite for gardeners and flower lovers alike. 8. The jade vine. Strongyloidin macrobotries. Bloom frequency: once every few years. Origin: Philippines. Why it's special. The jade vine is renowned for its vibrant turquoise-colored flowers, which resemble a cluster of hanging orchids. These spectacular blooms are incredibly rare and typically flower only once every few years, with the plant taking time to mature before it blooms. The flowers are striking and often grow in long, pendulous clusters that can reach up to 3 feet in length. Native to the rainforests of the Philippines, the jade vine requires specific growing conditions and is extremely difficult to cultivate outside of its native environment. Its rarity and stunning color make it one of the most sought-after and elusive flowers in the world. 9. The queen of the night. Epiphyllum oxypetalum. Bloom frequency: once a year overnight. Origin: native to Central and South America. Why it's special. The queen of the night is a striking cactus species that blooms just once a year, and only during the night. The flower is large, white, and fragrant, often referred to as the night-blooming cereus. It only opens during the late evening hours and wilts by dawn, making its bloom incredibly short-lived and even more elusive. The bloom is highly anticipated by gardeners and enthusiasts, and it is often associated with mystery, beauty, and fleeting moments of grace. The queen of the night's once-a-year appearance has earned it a special place in floral lore. 10. The corpse flower. Amorphophallus titanum. Bloom frequency: once every 7 to 10 years. Origin: Indonesia, Sumatra. Why it's special. The corpse flower, also known as the titan arum, is infamous for its enormous size and its foul odor, which resembles rotting flesh. This odor, which can be detected from miles away, serves to attract carrion-eating beetles and flies, which pollinate the flower. The bloom itself is huge, with the flower's central spadix reaching up to 10 feet tall. Once it blooms, the flower lasts for only 48 to 72 hours before wilting and fading away. The infrequent blooming and the overwhelming smell make the corpse flower one of the most highly anticipated and fascinating plants in the world. The elusiveness and beauty of rare blooms. Flowers that bloom only once in a lifetime are among the most captivating and awe-inspiring wonders of the natural world. Their rarity and the mystery surrounding their blooms evoke a sense of wonder and reverence for nature's rhythms. These flowers remind us of the fleeting nature of life, the patience required to witness something truly extraordinary, and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Whether they bloom after decades or only for a few hours, these once-in-a-lifetime flowers leave a lasting impression on anyone fortunate enough to witness their brief and beautiful transformation. This video explains how this flower blooms once in a lifetime. I hope you enjoy watching my video and helps you. Thank you for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory.